Hello and welcome, horticultural perverts. Today, we will look at a container-based potato harvest and see, is it worthwhile? And more importantly, will it make a dent in my outrageous appetite for carbs? So we start by cutting away the foliage, which is now burnt, withered, and shriveled into purgatory, much like Donald Trump's hairline. As we dig away into the soil, we find our first potato. Growing in confidence, I rummage to the far crevices of the pot and am rewarded with a posse of chattering spuds. Oh, that's one of the Temu variety. Small, compact and destined for the basement, much like their school-age workforce. We have a couple more here, and I must say this whole experience is new to me, but it feels very natural, almost as if I should be doing it. I find gardening as a whole to be somewhat spiritual, a place for healing, relaxing and being free. Like Epstein Island if you can't sweat and are part of the royal family. And there she is, Hagrid's arsehole. And I had a thought as I was rummaging through the soil like my favourite grave-robbing heroes of old, but searching for potatoes this time, that just maybe Great-Grandma Mabel might not have been dug up so much if she wasn't such a coffin-dodging tight ass. As I get busy molesting my way through the soil, pulling potatoes one after the other, I arrive at a lesson I was taught earlier in life by my dear granddad, Augustus Emmanuel II, that if one has no hands, one cannot harvest potatoes. Just clearing away some of the soil, revealing these rather elegant spuds, begging to be mashed up to a level so intoxicated it would rival the state of Pete Hegseth planning the Iran war strategy. And that's the dog jumping back, fresh from his latest wave of turd bombing the garden. And we pull out the mothership, feeding its potatoes like Farage does souls of children on the poverty line. And we reach the end of the harvest. Thank you for watching the video, and if you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe. See you in the comments.